girl, welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So we have today it open so I wouldn't have to, try to have to cut the box open, all the good stuff. But we have Stitch Fix box for the month of July going into August. So I asked Devani, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, you can check out some of my other videos, but it's a monthly styling. It's monthly, weekly, however you would like to get it. It is a styling service that they give you a stylist and they pick out nice items for you. You tell them what you want, what you're looking for, and they pick it out. So this month, I asked Devani for, I don't know what's in here, but I asked her for 2 pair of jeans. Not sure they're in here. I hope they are. I asked her for 2 pair of jeans. I asked her to start looking into the winter, not winter, into the cooler season items, because at this point I have enough spring, summer clothes to carry me on, and I do need to get some things for the cooler months. But I also wanted denim because I can still wear denim here, especially in the evenings or something like that around here. So I asked for cooler items, so keep that in mind, because I'm over the summer. It's been 100 degrees here in North Carolina, and I'm just over the summer right now. So let's just see. I always like to read. I don't look at the notes or the pricing. I don't look at the pricing rather until I'm done, because I don't want. And I asked for a yellow dress for a service that my church is having this summer, so next month. So I asked for a yellow or either a mustard color dress. And that's the great thing about Stitch Fix, is that you can really tell them basically what you want, what you're looking for, and your stylist will find it for you. And I don't have Devani. Oh my goodness, where is Devani? Ah! So this month I have Christina. Oh, where's Devani? Let's see, Teresa. Hi, Teresa. It's been a pleasure styling you, and I hope the new collection is a great mesh of your comforts and adventurism. I know you've been working closely with Devani, and at this time, it looks as though she is no longer with us. Oh, no! Did you hear? Oh, my goodness, Devani. Oh, my goodness, because Devani nailed it every time. I am sick. Okay, let's keep reading. I hope to impress you with your current fix. I hope to impress you with your current fix, and will enjoy getting to know you. As I read, you were needing a yellow or mustard dress for a church event, and so I seized the Wisp Maxi. Okay. Add an easy wedge to the look and light layer if you desire more coverage. In addition, I know you were loving the can jeans, and unfortunately, I still don't have the exact replacement. However, I did choose a similar color and style with the included pistolas. These are an easy complement to your casual, comfortable, and cool weather bound pullover by Madewell. Cheers, your stylist, Christina. Okay. I'm going to give Christina the benefit of the doubt because, I don't know yet. I'm sad that Devani has left, but let's get on with the unboxing, okay? So, ooh, something slipped out. So here's the colors that I have, because I am looking for, oh, stuff is just falling out everywhere, for more like cooler weather. So we'll see what the deal is. Okay, right out the bat, we have this, which is not bad. It's a cute little blazer, little zip up situation. I asked for camouflage, so I guess they don't have any camouflage, but I'll take this because this is close to it. This is extremely, extremely lightweight. It has zippers on the back here. It zips up the front. Is this like an asymmetrical zipper in the front? It has pockets in the front. So, okay, this is, okay for cooler weather, but not cold weather, which is great. And this is from Bagatelle Moto jacket. But this is like a really lightweight jacket, which is great. Um, it's great. Next up, we have this blue top here, and it is, oh, this is going to be cute. I like this. This is an off the, well, yeah, off the shoulder, but it has these little straps here, which is cute for cooler weather. And keep in mind, I'm not going to be wearing this right now, but I just really want to start getting a few more things for cooler weather. This is the Burial cold shoulder blouse, and I do like the blue. I think it goes great with that green over there. I think it goes really well with that, and it's very lightweight. So I think this will be a great transition from the summer into the fall months. You know, just some days when it's a little bit cooler outside. So that's cute. Now let's open it all the way up since everything else was falling out. This is the dress that I was needing. That I told you I had a church event that I need to go to, and this is cute. I actually really like the colors in this. It is a maxi dress, and I love these colors. The colors are really pretty. So it has the blue. It's a very long dress, and yeah, it's pretty cute. And I think it's great as far as coverage for church. It's not, you know, too cut too low or anything like that. So yeah. Here is a sweater by Madewell, which is great because I love that. Yeah, this is in the burnt orange, but I do like this. This is a really cute sweater. It has a rounded hem at the bottom, which is really cute, and this will be great for the, you know, cooler weather. Loving that. And here are the distressed jeans by Pistola, which I love. I love their distressing, and I love the distressing on the jeans that they have. And most of their jeans are like really, really, really comfortable. So this is a great box. The sweater is probably a little bit heavier than I would like for, you know, our falls, because our falls here are really not falls, but I love the color. The color is fabulous. It would look great on my skin. Okay, girls, so let's wrap this up, okay? So I'm going to give you the prices, the total, and let you know whether I'm going to keep the items or not. So the Bagatelle Olive, it's by Bagatelle Olive Elena Tencel Moto Jacket. I guess that's how you pronounce all those names, child. Anywho, this jacket is $88. I think this is a great jacket. I love the color. I asked for like camouflage, which she did not send me camouflage, but she sent me the olive jacket. To me, you know, it's this the family, okay? So I love this olive color. I think it looks great on my skin. I think the jacket looks great on me. So $88, a keeper. I would definitely keep that. Next up is the Pistola Lanissa Distress Scissored Cut Hem Denim Jeans. And this is a size 16. These are $88. I'm definitely keeping these. I love the fit on these. I love the distressing. I mean, I'm just a distressed girl. And I love it when I get a good pair. So those are great. Those are $88. The maxi dress in yellow. I did ask for yellow or mustard or something like that for an event for my church, and she nailed it. I love this dress. I think this dress is perfect for church. It's nice, long, flowy. Maxi dresses, sometimes I love them, sometimes I don't really care for them, but I love this one because the design down the middle just, and the, you know, across here, the band just really, I like that. Anyway, I like that maxi dress. I love the colors in it, so I really could, when they get a little bit cooler, wear that jacket as well, the olive jacket over top of this, and still wear that. Great selection. The Ella, this is the Wisp Ella Jersey maxi dress. This is in size 16. This is $88 as well. I love this dress. It feels really nice on the skin. It's really flowy, and it's just, the colors are really nice. She banged it out with the colors in this dress. I think they look great on my skin tone. So far, Christina, you're doing a great job. this burnt orange made well silla, y'all know these words hard to pronounce, but I always put it in the description bar below, so if you like something you can ask for it. Cecilia curved hem pullover. I love the curved hem style because I don't like boxy clothes, and to me when you have that little curve down there, I love the color, and I love the fit and everything of that. That is $78. I know this box is kind of expensive, right? And this is Crescent Burial cold shoulder blouse in blue. And this is extra large and $48. So the total of the box was $390. $390. The 25% discount is $97.50, which brings the box down to $92.50. I wish it was $92, right? $292.50. And I would say that all of these, this is a 5 and 5 box. I did ask for clothes a little bit more geared toward the cooler months. I love those because I'm just over the summer. I have enough clothes to carry me through the summer that I really have. Some of them I haven't even worn, so I'm good to go on summer clothes. But this was a great box. Christina did an awesome job. Like, she really surprised me with the fit as well as the style. She definitely nailed my style. She definitely nailed the fit of everything. The colors were great. So I would say it was a great box. You know, I had gotten so used to Devani, and when I saw that I had another stylist, I was like, oh my goodness, you know, I panicked a little bit. But Christina did a fabulous job. I would definitely select her again next month because I really feel like she took the time to just kind of check things out. And I have been liking a lot of moto jackets. And so I was really glad to see that she put a moto jacket in there. I think that would be cute with a t-shirt or something like that. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and share with you my box. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscription button. Hang out with your girl. And also in the bottom bar is a link to Stitch Fix. If you would like to sign up and get you a box, and the styling fee will be waived and all that good stuff. But thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I will holler back at you next time. Bye, girl.